Himalayas and dear friends, the V.D Joshi Award given by FerroCement Society, I think last 10-15 years they are giving their practice. So first of all, I would like to congratulate this year's award winner, Mr. Chandrakant Patil, for receiving this award. And I would like to thank the organizers, the FerroCement Society as well as this college for inviting me to felicitate these award winners. We were just talking, it was my passion to take admission in this college when I was in school days. But at that time, I did my 10th in rural areas. I was in Solapur district, in Edsi, a small village. I could not differentiate the difference between architect and engineer at that time. So that's why I could not get much information about the admission process over here. So I went to a diploma in civil engineering at Solapur, and then I completed graduation, PG and all. So today only I entered this campus, which I was thinking of long ago. And so it's another happiness to me to meet you people and interact in this way. So thanks for the FerroCement and giving me this opportunity. About FerroCement, I think the basic themes, what this material is, the differentiation between the RCC and this material. It is said to be a material of this millennium. I don't know how much you know about this technology as such. The pioneers like V.D Joshi and many others have tried constructing the boats, small buildings, some components of some buildings, and many things. But now we have gone way ahead. The advancements in the design processes, the construction technologies, the new equipments have been manufactured. The workers like Pawar, he has on different line making the FerroCement water tanks, small water tanks in rural areas at very low cost and with using only local material. So these kind of workers are there to promote this technology ahead. And of course, Dr. B.N. Divekar, contribution is a lot. He has devised many new design concepts and design methods to also construct very big buildings, huge buildings, entirely in FerroCement, not only the components. How I was attracted to this was when I was in government. The first thing is, since I was working in water resources department, the water retaining characteristic or the property of this material is basically the water tightness it gives as against the RCC. So since there is a use of chicken meshes, inverted wire meshes, so it's very water tight, it limits the crack widths. So I found this material very useful for our water retaining structures. We construct dams, small aqueducts, culverts, and also basically the canal linings, which is kilometers together. So for that purpose, this material was found very suitable. And secondly, of course, it is eco-friendly, the versatility of making any kind of shape and this thing. We have seen the structures created by Madam and others that you just name any shape and FerroCement can give it. So that way, that constraint of designing as an architect of any building is literally removed by this technology. Another better use of this FerroCement, which I found in particularly water resource department structures, is about the retrofitting. The repairs of RCC is really very difficult. So to make it more watertight or make it strengthen it, if the bars are corroded, the building is on the verge of collapse, even such structures can also be very well retrofitted using this technology. In our Nira canal system, which is almost 150 years old, we have retrofitted almost 50 to 60 old structures using this technology very nicely, and they are now strong enough to stay further 100 years more. So this way, this technology is very much useful. Of course, many innovative ideas are coming up, and the advantages of these new technologies we must adopt to implement it in our practice. So as a student, I think you are the pioneer to get this idea into implementation. The architects are the initial seed goers, I can say, and then the engineer comes into picture to create that structure physically on site. Of course, structural designer and many others are there, but it's up to you to get acquainted with this very nice and eco-friendly technology. Many new innovative structures can also be created, and I can tell you proudly that this technology is very well getting promoted in India as compared to the other nations in the world. I have visited many countries, I have attended the international conferences also. But in India now this material is getting momentum. In many other states also this is used extensively. Large floating restaurants, floating kind of shikara boats and that kind of thing are also being constructed. Individual bungalows are in many numbers, particularly in Kerala and other states. In North India, the innovative structures like the shape of any shank or any coconut, that kind of things, structures are there. And of course, in Pune, very multi-story buildings are also being constructed with new design methods. The technical literature is almost available with the society. We can visit the website, the literature available about that. And we are also trying hard to get the BIS, a standard code of practice for this, for the construction as well as for the planning purpose. So with this, let us work together as a family for the FerroCement technology professions. Thank you.